What's up, everyone? And before we start, here's something most car owners get completely wrong. They think 100% waterproof automatically means better protection. It doesn't. In fact, a badly designed waterproof car cover can actually damage your paint faster than leaving your car uncovered. Why? Because if moisture gets trapped underneath and the material can't breathe, condensation builds up. That trapped moisture can lead to paint damage, mildew, corrosion, and in some cases, even clear coat issues over time. And that's before we even talk about wind damage from cheap covers flapping against your paint like sandpaper. That's why today we're cutting through the marketing nonsense to find the best waterproof car covers that actually protect your vehicle the right way. We're looking at weather protection, breathability, ease of installation, wind resistance, and whether these covers are realistic for everyday use. And trust me, one of these covers completely solves the biggest problem most people hate about car covers. Links are in the description if you want pricing and sizes. Let's jump in. Before we rank these, quick reminder, the best car cover depends on how you use your car. Daily driver, you need convenience. Long-term storage, you need maximum protection. Windy climate, you need serious security. That difference matters. Starting at number 6. At number 6, we have the 6-layer car cover with driver's side zipper. And this one solves an annoying problem almost every car cover owner has experienced. You fully install the cover, then realize your wallet, keys, backpack, charger, or sunglasses are still inside the car. Now you're annoyed. Most covers force full removal. This one doesn't. That driver's side zipper is incredibly useful. And for daily drivers, that convenience becomes a huge advantage. Its 6-layer construction also gives solid all-weather protection. Rain, UV rays, dust, snow, bird droppings, tree sap, it handles all the basics very well. And unlike heavier covers later on this list, it's much easier to fold and store. That matters if you're removing it frequently. But here's why it ranks lower. Wind protection. It's good, not amazing. And the material simply isn't as heavy-duty as some higher-ranked options. Still, for daily drivers, this is one of the most practical choices here. At number 5, we have the EzyShade 10-layer car cover. This thing feels like armor, and that's both its biggest strength and biggest weakness. 10 layers means serious protection. Strong UV resistance, better hail defense, better insulation during extreme heat, better protection from falling debris. This cover is built for people storing expensive vehicles outdoors, and the sizing system helps create a tighter fit than cheaper universal options. That tighter fit reduces flapping damage, which is very important. But here's the problem. This thing is bulky, really bulky. Daily installation can become frustrating fast. And unlike number 6, no zipper access. Need something from your car? You're removing the entire cover. That gets old quickly. This is best for long-term protection, not daily convenience. At number 4, we have the Universal Fit Sedan car cover. This one wins on flexibility and affordability. If you own common sedans like a Tesla Model 3, Nissan Altima, or similar vehicles, this can be a budget-friendly option. Its biggest advantage is versatility. You can often reuse it across multiple vehicles. That's something highly specific covers can't offer. It's lightweight, easy to install, easy to fold, easy to store. And that simplicity works well for casual users. But here's the downside. Universal Fit always creates compromises. Loose areas can flap. Flapping creates friction. Friction damages paint over time. That's where higher-ranked covers do much better. If you live in windy regions, I'd be cautious here. At number 3, we have the Season Guard 7-layer car cover. This is where things get really balanced. And that's why many buyers may actually prefer this over the higher-ranked options. Its 7-layer construction feels like the sweet spot. More protective than lightweight covers. Far easier to manage than bulky 10-layer covers. And the biggest standout feature? That soft cotton inner lining. This matters a lot, because many people focus only on rain protection while ignoring paint abrasion. That soft interior helps reduce scratches during installation, removal, and wind movement. That makes it especially attractive for newer cars, ceramic-coated vehicles, or people obsessive about paint quality. The wind straps also perform better than budget universal covers. But it still lacks the speed and convenience of our top two. That's why it lands here. At number 2, we have the 10-layer Coupe Car cover. This is built for enthusiasts, and it shows. If you own vehicles like a Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, or Chevrolet Corvette, this cover makes a lot of sense. Its coupe-specific design creates a tighter fit around aggressive body lines. That tighter fit dramatically reduces flapping, and flapping is one of the biggest long-term paint killers. The 10-layer construction also offers premium weather protection. Hail, UV, heavy rain, snow, dust, this thing handles it all. But again, it's heavy, storage isn't fun, and daily removal gets annoying fast. This is ideal for protecting performance cars that sit outside long-term. Which brings us to number 1, the waterproof car cover with 30-second quick install underbody wraparound mount. And this one wins because it solves the biggest weakness almost every car cover has: wind. Cheap covers fail in wind constantly. They balloon, lift, move around, sometimes fly off completely. This design solves that problem with its underbody wraparound mounting system. It physically secures the cover underneath the vehicle. That dramatically improves stability. And if you live in storm-heavy areas, that matters a lot. But what really pushed it to number 1 is the installation speed. 30 seconds. That's massive. Because many people stop using car covers simply because they become annoying. This removes that friction. Fast setup, strong wind resistance, solid weather protection, and realistic daily usability. That combination is hard to beat. Now sure, it may not have the thickest material on this list, and it doesn't offer zipper access, but for most people, this delivers the best balance of protection and usability, and that's why it wins. And here's where people waste money. They either buy super cheap covers that destroy their paint, or buy giant heavy covers they stop using after a week. The best cover is the one you'll actually use consistently. That's what matters most. So here are the final winners. Best convenience option, 6-layer zipper cover. Best heavy-duty protection, EzyShade 10-layer. Best budget option, universal fit cover. Best paint protection, Season Guard 7-layer. Best sports car fit, 10-layer coupe cover. Best overall, underbody wraparound car cover. Before buying anything, make sure you verify your vehicle dimensions. That step alone prevents most sizing mistakes. Check the links in the description for pricing. And if this video helped protect your car's paint and save you from buying the wrong cover, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.